Good morning, everyone. This is Joshna from 4th year CSC in Adishankara Institute of Technology. Today, I am here to discuss about the topic in morphology and lexical syntax in natural language processing. There are some morphologies. They are inflectional and derivation morphology, morphological analysis, and generation using finite state transducers, introduction to word types, POS tagging, maximum entropy models for post tagging, multi word expressions. These are the morphology and lexical syntaxes in NLP phases. The following diagram shows the phases are logical steps in natural language processing. See the diagram. There are input. First, we are giving input sentences and morphological processing is going on, and syntax analysis can be get, and semantic analysis also occur, and pragmatic analysis. In other side, semantic rules are there, and contextual information are there, and in syntax analysis, they are lexicon and grammar. At the last, it come target presentation. It give presentation of output. Next, morphological processing. It is the first phase of NLP. The process of purpose of this phase is to break chunks of language input into sets of tokens corresponding to paragraphs, sentences, and words. For example, a word like uneasy can be broken into two sub-word tokens as uneasy. Syntax analysis. It is the second phase of NLP. The purpose of this phase is to false to checks that a sentence is well formed or not, and to break it up into a structure that shows the syntactic relationship between the different words. For example, the sentence like the school goes to the boy would be rejected by syntax analyzer or patcher. Next, semantic analysis. It is the third phase of NLP. The purpose of this phase is to draw exact meaning, or you can say dictionary meaning from the text. The text is checked for meaningfulness. For example, semantic analyzer would reject a sentence like hot ice cream. Pragmatic analysis. This is the fourth phase of NLP. Pragmatic analysis is simply fits the actual objects or events which exist in a given context with the object references obtained during the last phase. For example, the sentence put the banana in the basket on the shelf can have two semantic interpretations, and pragmatic analyzer will choose between these two possibilities. Next, inflectional morphology is the study of modification of words to fit into different grammatical contexts, whereas the derivational morphology is the study of the formation of new words that differs either in syntactic category or in meaning from their basis. This is the key difference between inflectional and derivational morphology. A morpheme is the smallest meaningful morphological unit in a language. This unit can be further divided or analyzed. Inflectional morphemes and derivational morphemes are two main types of morphemes. Thus, inflectional and derivational morphology concern the study of these two types of morphemes respectively. Next, what is inflectional morphology? Let's see. Inflectional morphology is the study of the process that distinguishes the forms of a words in certain grammatical categories. This includes processes such as affixation and vowel change, which create inflectional morphemes. An inflectional morpheme is a suffix that's added to a word to assign a particular grammatical property to that word, such as its number, mood, tense, or position. However, an inflectional morphology can never change the grammatical category of a word. You can add an inflectional morphology to a verb, noun, adjective, or an adverb. For example, adding a s to the verb plural verb run make this verb singular. Similarly, adding ed to the verb dance creates the past tense of the verb. Some more examples are as follows: cat, cats; teach, teaches; clean, cleaned; pretty, prettier. As evident for the both above examples, inflectional morphemes usually produce different forms of the same word instead of different words. In addition, inflectional does not generally change the basic meaning of a word, as they only add specifications to a word for emphasize certain aspects of its meaning. Thus, words under inflection morphology are not found as separate entries in dictionaries. Next, what is derivational morphology? Derivational morphology is the study of the information of new words that differ either in syntactic category or in meaning from their basis. Thus, a derivational morpheme in an affix we add to a word in order to create a new grammatical category of the word. For example, change in meaning, leaf, leaflet; pure, impure; change in grammatical category, help, verb; next, helper, noun; logic, noun; logical, adjective. As seen from the above examples, derivational morphemes change either the meaning or the category of the original words, forming new words. These words are thus found under new entries in dictionaries. Next, what is the difference between inflectional and derivational morphology? Inflectional morphology is the study of the modification of words into fit into different grammatical contexts, whereas derivational morphology is the study of the formation of new words that differ either in syntactic category or in meaning for their basis. Therefore, this is the principal difference between inflectional and derivational morphology. Moreover, in usage, the difference between inflectional and derivational morphology is the inflectional morphemes or affixes. They merely serve as grammatical markers and indicates some grammatical information about a word, whereas derivational morphemes are affixes that are capable of either changing the meaning of the grammatical category of the word. Besides, the key difference between inflectional and derivational morphology is that while inflectional morphology create new forms of same word, derivational morphemes create new words. This is the morphological discussion. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me.